Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a link of your website, your YouTube channel, or even your online store on your Pinterest bio. Very much simple. So this is one of the most asked questions online, so I decided to make a video about it. So to do this, just hop on your Pinterest like this. You can see this my wall. Then I move to my profile by tapping on my profile picture down here. Good. Now I view my profile here. So you can see on my Pinterest profile, you can see a link of my YouTube channel down there. So what I need to do is I just need to tap on the edit profile and I scroll down here and you can see website here. So here you proceed to enter the link of your website, your YouTube channel, or your online store. So by doing this, you clear it. You can see, let me put this up here and then let me add this, and then you add the link of your website. So I'll be adding a link of my YouTube channel here, /@ my channel. Good. So after entering the link of your site, you proceed to save by tapping on the done. Good, and it's saved. So anytime someone visits your Pinterest profile, they are going to see this link on your profile, something like this. So that's it on how you can add a link of your website, your store, or your YouTube channel on your Pinterest profile. That's it.